Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Dacres. Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel both released albums today. The two music icons, the World Boss and the Gargamel, both released their highly anticipated albums, much to the delight of reggae and dancehall fans worldwide. Cartels of Dons and Divas boasts 18 tracks and features collaborations from new generation artists like Sika Rhymes, TJ, Squash, Skilly Bang and Daddy One, along with former Gaza Empire cohorts Lisa Hype and Tommy Lee Sparta, whilst Buju Banton's 20-track compilation Upside Down features collaborations from the likes of Stephen Marley, John Legend, Steph London and hip-hop producer Pharrell. Buju hosted a live listening session of his Upside Down album last night at his studio in Kingston, courtesy of his label Rock Nation.
I am alive, there must be a reason.
Both albums are available on all major digital streaming platforms. Now, Fame frequency to challenge the DJs this week at the playoffs. DJs from radio brands Fame 95 FM, Hits 92 FM, and Radio Jamaica 94 FM will take on specific challenges this Saturday. The playoffs will feature 3 rounds. Now, round 1 will be an open format of juggling, where the DJs can play whatever they choose. Now, round 2 will see the 6 DJs showcasing their catalog as they are paired musically with veteran and recent hitmakers. Round 3 will see the DJs playing songs based on a variety of themes. Speaking with E-Prime, the DJs shared their game plan for the blazing event.
Strictly juggling party vibe for everyone, and it's all fun. It's a family vibe. Come on, man, come check us out. Fame frequency.
Tomorrow night is gonna be crazy, yeah. It's gonna be crazy. Don't miss it. Please, me I beg you know. Tune in, charge up on the phone, charge up on the tablet, charge up all the TV to cause crazy energy tomorrow night. You understand? Blessings.
People, it's all about the playoffs. I know we represent for 94. So make sure to tune in and turn up.
We can't really reveal our top secret plans, but just know we're planning. Peace out. This Saturday, you don't know. Bare vibes, bare excitement. You can't miss out.
People, it's a playoff. It's not a clash. It's a playoff, right? So we come with a mad vibe. Actually, just came off of the phone with Franco, and we're planning a mad set fit.
It's going to be a musical madness, fun guaranteed to the very last drop. So you got to check it out this Saturday. TVJ, RETV, and what? What's up? If so be the case, yeah man, no fun, musical fun.
And the energetic Jenny Small will be the host for the event.
This one is a real leg-dropping, foot-stomping opportunity because look here, you're going to hear Radio Jamaica, you're going to see and hear Fame, you're going to see and hear Hits 92, and you're going to bubble, you're going to dance, you're going to lose weight, you're going to exercise, you're going to sweat, so tail. So you want to make sure you tune in, no miss it, 9 o'clock.
Now use the Fame frequency hashtag and rep your brand. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Dacres. Thank you for watching.